How to create an Aternos server. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a server on the Aternos platform. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up any web browser you have and search this URL right here, aternos.org/go/ and then once you do that, you will be taken to this login page where you will have to sign in using your login credentials. I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Once you do that, you'll see this big create a server button right here, or you can just go ahead and tap on your profile right here to create a server. Now just tap on the server icon and you will be taken to this page. Click on create a server. Now, as you can see, you'll have to provide your username first. So if you want to edit it, you can do that here. I'm just going to leave it as it is and then tap on create. You just have to wait for a bit. Now, as you can see, it will say that your server is ready. And if you want to store all of your files, you can connect to your Google Drive. I'm just going to skip it for now. Now, once you do that, your server will be ready to use. Now, all you need to do is click on the start button to start your server. Click on View Terms and Conditions to accept. Go ahead and click on Yes, and then you should be able to start your server. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.